and welcome back. In this video, we'll see how to make parts from the sketches. In the previous video, we have seen how to use different sketching tools and how to use the sketching options. And now using those sketches, we'll see how to make these parts. Here I am having some few exercise. Well, first, let us start with the basic one. And this is the isometric view. And they are all given all the dimension. And this one is 40 mm wide. From this end to this end, it is horizontal distance is 20 mm. Total overall length is 100 mm, and this height from this end to this end is 20 mm, and overall height is also 45 mm. This rectangular width is 15, and this one is 15, and in between the space width is 30. So here we'll start by creating the sketches. Any plane is enough, since they will not do any drafting or will not assemble. Any plane is enough. Let us start with the front plane. Or even if you have chosen the wrong plane, if you want to do the drafting, you can change the view over there. Okay, first I'll make only the sketches. That is, first I'm not going to add any dimensions. Remember, I'm going to make only the half, and then I'm going to use the mirror option. You can mirror the sketch itself, or after making the 3D model also you can sketch. You have already learned how to mirror the sketch in the previous videos. So we'll see how to use the mirroring the model itself. So since we are making only the half, so we need to provide half distance. This overall total distance is 100. We are making only the half, so it will be 50. 50, and this is 20 mm, and overall height is 45. 20, 45, and this is 15, and this, the space in between is total is 30. So since we are making only the half, it will be 30 by 2. You can add the mathematical operators also. You can add anything. You can use the brackets. You can use anything. And now still it is still undefined. That's because we have not specified this height. Okay, actually we have made the sketches wrong. It is the slant height. There is no vertical height, and this one is a straight line. So I'm going to delete this, and I'll make these 2 points coincide each other by selecting those two, and I'm going to use the option merge. Yeah. Now I'll specify this height as 20. And now you can see it is fully defined. And there are many ways to make. First, you can make a rectangular thing, a rectangular sketch of 100 into 45 and extrude it. We will see how to extrude. And making another sketching of this triangular part, and again another sketch, and then cutting. Either you can sketch from this space or from the top, according to your needs. If you are sketching from this, you have to make this dimension, that is 30 by 30 into this total will be 45 minus 20, that is 25. You have to sketch it over here. If you are sketching from the top, you have to sketch 30. You have to sketch a rectangular of 30 into 40. That's very much complicated, and first we'll see. We have drawn only the half. You can mirror it now, or you can mirror the 3D model also. We have the previous video, as I told, we have learned how to mirror the sketches. Now we'll first exit the sketch, and now we'll make a 3D model. You can use the wheel and rotate the mouse to change the view or to rotate. And now here we'll go to the features. After exiting from the sketch, you have to go to the feature, And now we'll use the option called extrude boss or base. And here you are having, this is the sketch plane where you have sketched. On the sketch plane, from the starting from the sketch plane, it will start to extrude. And if you want to offset it from a distance, suppose this is a sketch plane, and if I want to offset it, suppose I want to start it say 5 mm after, see this is the sketch plane where I have sketched, and after 5 mm it is starting the extrude. I don't want this. And even if you are having any surface or plane here, suppose if you are having any body over here, or if you are having a plane, you can just select that one and choose that plane. Since we are not making that, we'll come to know the tools when you practice more parts and assemblies. First we'll start with the simple one, and here we are having the direction. You can choose this one to flip the direction, or you can just use this arrow to rotate, to move this. Suppose I am here, you are having only in one direction. You can enable the direction 2, or you can disable. Suppose I want to extrude in both the direction, then you want to enable both directions. Okay, and I don't want to go in the both the directions, so I'm going to disable it. If you want, you can flip the direction, any one direction. And you're having another option, till where this blind means till any surface, or this is the direction, and this is the distance. If you are selecting the blind, you can extend it till wherever you want. You can extend using this arrow on by using the mouse, or here you can specify the exact distance. Suppose in this they have given 40 mm, so here I'm going to use 40. Okay, suppose I want to choose it after a vertex. Suppose you are having any object or any extruded part before, and upon that you are making another body or an object. Upon that, if you are having any vertex, till there you can select, and up to the surface, like I have shown here the surface in the from option, the same thing applies. If you are having any plane or an object, you can select that surface, that is the plane. And here you're having the offset. Suppose if you are having any surface or a plane, and you have to offset from that plane, you have to get it. So that time we are going to select the plane, and then you are going to provide here offset distance. And if you want, you can reverse that. And next is up to a body. If you are having a body, you can make it, you can select that body, and it will go through the full body. Or the mid plane, it will go equally in both the directions. Suppose if I say this is 40, so I'm going to provide 40. So from this point to this point, this is actually the sketching plane, or where I have sketched. From this point to this point, it will extend 20 mm, and the other side it will extend 20 mm. So to keep the body in a more symmetric manner, we'll just use the midpoint plane and then click on OK. And since you have made only the half, now how to do the other half? Here also you are having the option called mirror. Here you can see an option called mirror. Click on that and select the mirroring face or the plane. I want to mirror about this plane or the face. And by default, this one is selected. If it is not selected, just select the feature or whatever thing you have to mirror. Okay, and now here we have a full preview where it will be fully done, and then we'll click on OK. You can see it is fully made. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. And in the next video, we'll see another simple part.